Hello everyone, it's me again. Today we will use discarded kitchen baskets to grow cucumbers with simple and effective planting and care methods. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Cucumbers are very beneficial for us, such as good for digestion, weight loss, and can also be processed into many dishes on the daily dining table. Surprisingly, aloe vera not only provides good nutrition for plants, but also makes the ecosystem more diverse. To germinate the seeds, I cut the aloe vera into pieces, put the cucumber seeds in, and put them in a nursery pot, watered well and left in a cool place. The seeds germinated healthily. I will use 2 discarded vegetable baskets to grow plants. First, we need to make drainage holes to avoid waterlogging for the plants later. On a small balcony, the choice of how to care for plants is very important. My choice is to use plastic bottles and perforated towels strung together to create an automatic watering system. When planting trees on the balcony or small terrace of the family, choosing fertilizer is very important, because in addition to providing nutrients for the trees, it must also be environmentally friendly and not harmful to us. I use worm castings to mix into the soil for growing cucumbers because it has high antibacterial properties and does not affect health. When the cucumber seeds are incubated for about 7 days, the plant will grow healthily. At this time, we can plant them. You see, with this automatic watering method, it can bring water down to the roots of the plants without affecting erosion and watering risks. After just 10 days of planting, the cucumber plant has already sprouted branches and started climbing. To provide enough energy for the plant to grow, we need to take care of it. Help the plant gain strength right from the start. To remove weeds and aid metabolism, I will first plow the soil. To prevent erosion, loosen the soil and provide nutrients, I spread rice husks evenly over the surface of the plant pot. I also added compost and water to the jar. We used bamboo sticks to stick into the pot so the plant could climb. The plant is about 20 days old and has grown healthily. At this point, we need to take care of it so that it has enough strength to grow, flower, and bear fruit. First, I will use bamboo sticks connected together in a star shape to make a trellis for the cucumbers to climb. Bamboo has high friction, making it easy for the vines to cling. And don't forget to guide the climbing plant according to our idea. My choice is still worm castings for plants, very nutritious and good for health. Don't forget to re-water the watering can. To stimulate flowering and fruiting, repel insects, and prevent pests, I use 1 clove of onion mixed with water and spray evenly on the plant. This stage is very important for whether the tree will produce more or less fruit. I will use male flowers to pollinate female flowers to help increase the fruit set rate. The 40-day-old tree has produced many small, beautiful fruits. At this time, in addition to fertilizing and watering the plants, we need to prune old leaves and yellow leaves at the base so that the plant can focus nutrients on growing and fruiting. Great. With my very simple growing method, the tree has produced many big and beautiful fruits. Now we can harvest. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.